Discovering your creative self? Well, here's a wine rack, wine glass holder that you might enjoy putting together. Take a watch, see if you like it. Here's your supplies. 9 36-inch boards, which I had Home Depot cut for me, and then you've got about 4 shelves, depending on how many you want, 12-inch boards. Oh boy.
Big smile.
What?
No, smile.
I gotta look down. You want to sand all the edges of your board to make sure they're nice and smooth so that you have really good connections. Plus, you don't want to handle it and reach and feel something rough on the edges. I actually decided to go with 6 shelf units placed in the whole design. The reason being that the 2 bottom shelf units can offer some stability. It's wise to lay it all out on the floor and see how it's going to look so that you get an idea of the placement of everything. I actually decided to go with 6 shelving units, 2 on the bottom to add its stability in case I wanted to stand it up anywhere on a dresser top or something. I also decided to get the actual wine glasses that I wanted to put in this unit and space them out to see where they're going to go. Being a senior, downsizing, we live in a bungalow, so my actual workspace is limited. I tend to sit on the floor and do a lot of things. Also, I have rheumatoid arthritis, so it helps when I'm trying to work on things. I don't have to get up and down and move around as much. I had to get creative with the little holders that were going to hold the wine glass stems. So I've actually got some molding and I have glued 2 pieces of it together. These little things almost look like church benches, but I also placed them on my unit to make sure that each stem wine glass would fit. I hadn't realized before that every wine glass stem, the actual bottom piece, varies in thickness and in diameter. So I had to measure each one. So each one is custom made for this unit. I like to use the Art Minds Wax Antiquing, which is a stain and a sealer all in one. It's easy to apply. It goes on really smooth. You put it on, then you wipe it off, just like a regular stain. In this video, you're viewing the back of the unit. I glued everything together first, then I secured it with screws, and then afterwards I got involved in the staining. I actually like staining a unit because it begins to take on a different kind of like. And sometimes when you're creating something, you may reach that creative process where you think, I don't like this anymore. And if that happens, you give it a day and go back to it, because usually the like comes back again. And of course, when everything is glued and screwed together and stained and you can try it out once again, you have to put it up.
hear that? I hate that. It doesn't fit the head properly.
Let's see if I can see it. I can see it. Oh, good, perfect. All right.
And the other one?
Yeah, perfect.
They're both behind the washer?
Yeah, apparently. How come it still wiggles, wobbles? You know why? The wall is warped. The shelf units on the right and the one on the very top left have a little decorative edge. It's actually some baseboard, decorative baseboard that I put there so that prevents a bottle from rolling off. Those shelves are to lay wine bottles across. So there you are, another creative project on the go. I am in Ontario. We're in a lockdown, shut down, stay home. So I'm limited in terms of supplies. I actually bought the wood from Home Depot and had them cut it for me before our third wave lockdown occurred. So, but it's fun, you know, designing something and the whole creative process of putting it together. Sometimes you run into troubles and then you fix that and straighten it out and move on. So I don't know if you'd be inclined to create a wine glass bottle holder like that, but maybe it might help to inspire something, maybe even something else, maybe a different kind of shelf unit. I don't know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this, and you can stay tuned for another video because I'll be making something else. That's what I'm doing. Bye for now.